everyone. So this is our project, Next Gen AI Security. So a lot of industries moving towards AI agents and agentic workflow. So we decided to address the issue of destructive commands that AI agents do these days. So our challenge is to address the product data deletion, credential exposure, and autonomous agent failures. So our software is a four-layer defense system. First one is regex checks. It's a simple prompt validation using regex, which addresses harmful content in the or hacking or stealing or some crime or NSFW content in regex. The next is Llama Guard 4. Llama Guard 4 is Meta's state-of-the-art 12 billion parameter model that detects any sort of malware or content-aware threat detection. The next is backdoor and hallucination check. This is exclusively for codes. If there is any sort of code issue or something like destructive commands such as delete DB, this particular layer will address that. Then we also have multi-agent context validator. If you are utilizing a multi-agent workflow, it's important for context to be validated using a multi-agent workflow like this. This layer exactly addresses that.
You can protect your AI in 3 simple steps. One is to integrate, add Sentinel AI SDK to your application in minutes with a simple integration. Along with that, you can configure to set up security policies and thresholds tailored to your specific needs and use cases. Along with that, you can monitor all of this through a live monitoring system and console management system. So let's get started.
Here we have created a dummy application. So as you can see, our generation validation checks are performing right now. These are the agents that have been are running, and you can see there are like a safety analysis that are running on each of these agents right now. Since this is a pretty simple prompt, we also have a UI to monitor all these progresses.
So within the dashboard, you can see the total executions, success rate, blocked actions, and the critical risks. Going to the Explorer page, we can now refresh over here and then see our entered prompt that we gave. Give me a code to add 2 numbers. Over here, you can see our L1, Llama Guard, L2 guardrails, and L3 compliance passing all the safety checks. Now, if we were to enter a prompt that was malicious in intent, let's see how that would be taken care by our guardrail system. So our code guard, which is the first layer, detected hacking malicious instruction phase. Now, if we refresh here, we could see this is blocked by the system, and we get a security override which could be accepted or rejected. So if we reject it now, we can see the security threat is being rejected. We can see in the planner agent, we got the L3 compliance being flagged again, and the issue was detected here due to a delete in database, which is destructive in nature. And over here, we can do a security override to accept or reject this. So if we accept it, we would see that this agent has passed it as safe. And in the coder, again, we have an L3 compliance, which could be accepted or rejected. Now, as you can see, in all the agents, we have passed the checks. Thank you for watching, and this was our demo for the Sentinel AI.